I look really, really rough. And I haven't gotten up yet, so if I look even rougher, stay with me. So the thing is, guys, my eyes, I have cold in my eyes because I have the flu. And I don't know what you I don't know, so whatever me have, the baby have, so it's been a rough couple of days. I haven't been vlogging a lot. Like, I do vlog, but I haven't gotten the time to post them. And this is a video to explain to you guys that I've been vlogging. I've been trying to do videos for you guys, but it's giving me a little bit of rough time right now because of my situation. Alright, so I just posted a video that is probably up by now, where I showed you guys a little bit more closer of my eyes. My eyes were running like a lot of cold. And last night the baby was running a lot of cold. So my current situation, guys, is, I don't know if you guys realize, but that's one fan right there. Sorry. That's one fan right there. As I said, I'm in my room. I know my shoes stand messy. And the baby clothes them in the corner. That's our dirty clothes them. There's another fan. We can't turn on the camera, but there's another fan over there. And I do remain enough on the seat, and then there's another fan. And then look, the window is open. That is our current situation. I know that some of the times I don't really like to talk about certain things because I have haters. I have big haters, and them always come for me. I've been having like very uncomfortable nights because where we were living, we have some big dogs, and we have a German Shepherd and a Pit Bull. Well, no, we a Jelani dog them, and the dog them. I don't know if you remember the other day when all I would dress up in the burgundy outfit. We were going to a funeral, my uncle's funeral basically, and we left our house from the Friday. Something like that now. We had something. Something like that. Thanks. So we went to the funeral, not the actual funeral, but the dead yard from the Friday. Saturday was the setup, and then Sunday was the funeral, but my auntie came down, and even that vlog, guys, I started that vlog and I haven't put it in any video. I'll probably just add it to the end of this, if anything. Hopefully I can find it. Oh, you know, sister, you? Me a video and you over there start sleep on a puppy. Just nasty, man. That's a Jelani. Yo, sometimes men do some things make you want to kill them. Make a turn. So yeah, I sleep with Amora right under my arm because I'm afraid she gets up and she have a breathing problem and I can't help her. So basically, what was I saying? That's when I realized my nose still stuffy. I went to the doctor yesterday again, and I got some more medication because of the flu. I haven't been drinking and eating how I'm supposed to, and I'm breastfeeding, so I guess it ran down my body to the point where I'm having severe belly ache and I want to defecate. When I go to the bathroom, it's like watery and nothing much is coming down, so it was very painful. I had to go to the doc, and I got something. Speaking about that, you need to get up shortly and drink one of the things, because I have something that I should drink after every 4 hours. Anyways, back to what I was saying, guys. So I've been extremely sick. I've still been trying to give you guys content. We went to Jamaica Zoo day before yesterday. I have that video to upload also. So I'm really trying to give you guys content, obviously. But the thing is, I am putting out content and nobody is liking, like nobody not like. So it's kind of crazy because I just feel like I'm doing the work and my supporters, like, you guys are not even watching the videos, you guys are not liking, and it's not really nice, you know? So sometimes it doesn't give me the push to want to vlog. Anyways, as I said, me really and truly I watch a baby. I mean, I have on a blanket on her, but we use this. I will cover her and her foot with it, and it's extremely, it's warm. It's our feeding pillow, and it's warm. Like, if we go under the sheet right now, we'll probably just get more sick, so we can't bother with that. So back to what I was saying, like, we moved because our dogs, they were tearing up the day when we left, the 3 days when we were not there, the Friday, the Saturday, and the Sunday. And then we came home the Sunday evening after funeral. The yard was a mess. I won't lie. I mean, I was telling no lie. The yard was an extreme mess. Remember that Amora used his Pampers, and we had put the Pampers in the garbage bags at the garbage bin. But the garbage bin was a little bit full, so it didn't go in the garbage bin, if you don't understand. And the dogs got a hold of that, and they tore it up all over the veranda, all over the yard. And somebody took some pictures and some videos, because y'all know that I'm social media influencer, so people are gonna always do some dumb shit like that. Send it to the landlord call, and she never even asked, like, you know, when a person would ask and say, hey, what happened here, you know? She's like, hey, when we're into the house, they see no little small dog, that's an Ariel. They never see the German Shepherd, they didn't see the pit bull though. And, you know, it was just a whole little rumble. So I said to myself, all right, I'm not going to stay here, because if it is that I go away for 3 days and my dog tear up the garbage in my yard that I'm paying a lot of rent for, because as long as you pay over 30,000, as a matter of fact, as long as you pay 15,000 for rent, you're paying a lot. That's what I believe in, money and money. And as long as you pay almost 100,000, half of 100,000 for rent, or more, or even less, you're paying for your convenience, you're paying for your comfort, you feel me? And I feel like it is extremely uncomfortable for a situation like that to happen, and then people go and take pictures and videos. It's really disgusting. So we left and we came to this house because we needed to move ASAP. Now, the landlord for this house is extremely nice so far, like, she's really nice. When we were moving in, she told us that she was going to repaint the house. She said what colors I want, and I told her in the kids' room I would prefer pink. In my room, it doesn't really matter. I don't care about the color. And best believe the lady put the room in a pink. When we came outside, it was red dirt. Well, it still is. But she said, tell me, so she was going to pave off the walkway so we can walk home in, you know, with little comfort, and the woman do it. So it's like most of the things that she told us that she was going to do, she did. And I really appreciate that, because not a lot of landlords, you know, keep their promise and stuff like that. Anyways, so basically right now we're drowning because the house is I don't really remember what they call it, but I think something like low level or something. I don't remember, something like that. So the house kind of low. So because of that, and a deck house, it is extremely hot. And there is no other house, like, it's just one house. Like, they not go to upstairs and downstairs, but they change their mind, or they're waiting a little bit, I don't know. But it's just one, you know. And to be sleeping with the windows open, and I have to have 4 fans on in my room. One is off now, because the 4 fan usually on. Fan on in the baby room, fan on in the hall. And the fans has to be running 24/7 every single day. It is just extremely crazy. So I'm getting sick, the babies are getting sick, and it's just a lot. The wall have mold on it. Cannot be blamed the landlord either, because unless she put mold on the wall. Furthermore, when she was painting, she had sent me photos that she had treated the wall for the mold. So the fact that the wall full of mold right now is not her fault, it's not our fault. I just don't know what the problem is. So guys, that's basically what's really and truly going on right now. It's a lot. I also rented another bar because I was telling myself, hey, I want to do something more. And unfortunately, I got one bartender, and this whole experience just turned me off completely. Where she had a baby, and the situation was just rough, because I gave her I said to her, it's fine for you to bring the baby, until I get somebody to keep the baby or whatever the case might be, because I just gave birth. So I know you feel like like want help with the baby and you know really a bit certain way. Like to work. And it's like she would go there and she would open when she feel like, she would lock when she feel like, and it was a bit much. I was getting calls, and then she was telling me that people are called police for her for the baby. It was just a lot. So I'm lucky bar. Guys, mind you, I rented the bar last month, right? I gave rent and deposit, and gave rent and deposit. I went into the bar about the 25th of last month, because as I said to you guys, I didn't have anybody to work, and the girl that I got, she worked for 3 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that was it, 3 days. Now, me and the bar owner did have a conversation where I said to her, hey, just let the rent roll over for this month, because maybe basically it never really opened last month, none at all. And she was like, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so the receipt that she sent to me was for the 10th of the month. However, on the 14th, she messaged me and said, hey, are you at the bar? I'm coming. She called me and said, are you at the bar? I'm coming. When me take a stock, the lady, I go make me know, say, she come for the rent. I was like, rent? But I messaged you on WhatsApp and I told you that I wasn't going to continue renting the place. So she never get no message, whatever. No, mind you guys. Persons been it's like I've been going through, I just been going through a lot. Somebody messaged me on WhatsApp telling me, oh, Jilani, I give me bone and one of the sitting. And all me picking them wear only Shein clothes, and them start class me picking them. I blocked the number. The other day I got a call from an unknown number. Mama answered the person and I said nothing. Another day after that, somebody texted me on WhatsApp again. Hi, I did this. I'm say yes. Oh, I just want to say you. So it got really creepy to the point where I wanted to change my number. So I went ahead and I deactivated WhatsApp. So you know when I deactivate WhatsApp, you lose all your messages and everything. So I lost all my messages, so I cannot prove that I did text the lady and tell her whatever. However, it's like I said to her, and don't tell me this stuff here. I said to her, I said to her son, my deposit, since it is that, I say the rent was due from the 10th. Remember, I made $0 at Poros. I wasn't there, no money to make. But I just saw it instead. So since it is that, me there at the bar, and me told us that the bar did lock, now go on. Mind you, the window fall off, and the lady sent somebody to fix it. However, the girl tell me, said the man left a tool. The lady tell me, said the girl tell the man, say she have to lock the shop because she have somewhere to go or whatever. So me get two different stories, so the window never locked back properly. So basically, my things them was at risk. My fridge, my fan, my liquor, everything was at risk. So I said to myself, you know what, I gotta move. Anyways, the lady said she never get the message, fine. Just a boom now. I said to her, since it is that the rent was due on the 10th, today is the 14th, take $4,000 and give me back the rest of the rent. Just take $1,000 for a day. You get me, I come from? The lady, I don't know, I realize as well. The lady's son say, is like, honestly, I don't even know it's like what. But I said to myself, Father God, go and bless me with more than that. If a person feel like they want to rob me because they feel like they can, because they already have my money, so they can do whatever you feel like, then that's fine by me. It's okay. A lot of persons won't understand this vlog. But basically, it's like, I'm just trying to show you guys that in a life, you're going to go through a lot. Some of the situations then when you're going to go through, not even going to make no sense. You're not going to get it. But at the end of the day, God got your back. Don't make nobody feel like them can walk over you because you're soft or you're fool. But sometimes you have to take a loss. I say, you know what? I'm not going to beat up my chest with nobody over certain things, but I just love it. So basically, I'm sick. I'm going to go through a lot. And I've been trying to vlog for you guys. I really have. But sometimes it does take a toll on me. So basically, I'm what to do for you right now. Just pray for me. Keep me in on the prayers and, especially Amora. because I'm more have the flu, and it's just a lot for her. It's a lot. She can't really deal with it. Ouch. Me have a stitch pain right now as I talk to you. I'm more still a rest. So I'm going to rest a little bit and then I'm going to get up. I'm not even going to edit this video. I'm going to post this video as is because I want you guys to get like a real realistic vlog. Because that's what I do. I keep it real 100. And who don't like it, I just say things it. You feel me? Persons, I have supporters that would reach out to me and be like, D, I want to send you something. And they do. You guys, I appreciate y'all. You send stuff for the baby, if you send stuff for Ariana, Aisha, if you support me in any form and any way, I appreciate you. If you watch my YouTube videos, if you like my live, if you like my videos, I appreciate you so much. If you're on my TikTok and you like up my screen, thank you so much. Guys, in a life, you're going to go through things, but don't make that make you give up. Make that be a stepping stone to push. Make a push and make a make it. Certain things I'm going to have it, I'm going to have. And a man would do me wrong, go see me as a bombard. I never know said D could have do that. But D go and do it. So big up on yourself, guys, and have a blessed day. Today is the 15th, I think. I'm going to punch on the phone. 17th. Today is the 17th of June. And yeah. So big up on yourself, guys. My love you know, and peace out.